Hi everyone, in this video we will be learning about initiation of MOU agreement on the Vedanta Metal Bazaar portal. So first of all, log into the portal and navigate to MOU tab on the sidebar. On the MOU tab, move to the draft MOU menu. On the draft MOU menu, you will see the list of all the draft MOUs that have already been created by you. Now in order to create a new MOU agreement, click on create draft MOU button from the right hand side. When we click on create draft MOU, the draft MOU form would appear on our screen. Now we need to fill each and every values in this form in order to send this MOU to the Vedanta team. So first of all, start with the basic detail section. Fill in some value of MOU start date, end date, Incoterms, and total quantity. So let's quickly fill these values. The Incoterms can be selected either as prepaid, to pay, or both of them. Fill in some value of the total quantity. Select some value of the delivery options. So the delivery options can either be DTA or DX. Select the premium model that you want to use. So there are two types of premium model, the base premium model and the X% of QMJP model. So whatever model you select, the calculations would appear in the data table above over here. So quickly review the calculations and then proceed with the remaining form. Next, fill in some value about the discount that you want to avail. So this is the quotation for discount that you would be logging in. Then enter the value of A. So A is the base premium value, and basis the value that you enter, the premium in the next field would get auto calculated. Below this, there's the landed price formula. So quickly verify this formula. So each and every variable that has been used in calculation of the landed price are included in this formula. Next is the product section. So either you can select one product or more than one product in your agreement. So let's select two products in our agreement. Let's select the first product as billet, and for whatever product you select, you have to enter the sub-product, variant, and other variants basis the relevancy. So let's select some value of the sub-product. Let's select some variant. Next, let's select some version. Let's put in some value of the quantity. Let's put some quotation for the variant upcharge that we want to avail. Moving on, let's select one more product. So for wire rod, let's select some value of the subproduct, then the variant. Now again, the indicative quantity, the quote for upcharge. Moving on, the next section is the freight charges section. So under the freight charges section, select the destination, and against the destination, fill in some value of the CNF that you want to quote to the Vedanta team. Now under the freight charges section, either you can select one destination or more than one destination by clicking on this plus button. The next section is the pricing option section. So you can select pricing options such as monthly average, period average, PNDLD, NPL, etc. So either you can select one of these pricing options or more than one of these pricing options. And for whatever pricing options you select, you have to enter the hedging charges in this field. So let's enter some value of hedging charges. There's a remark field which is optional, so you can enter some remark over here if needed. Next is the forex field. So put in some value of the forex. The last section is the security deposit section. So the first two fields of this section will be disabled for you because these fields would be filled by the Vedanta team. Now the payment mode can either be RTGS, BG, or both of them. Now, if you have any query or feedback that needs to be asked from the Vedanta team, then you can write that feedback over here in the remarks section. The last is the GTC section. So in order to review the general terms and condition PDF, click on this GTC field, and the PDF will appear on your screen. So you can go on and verify this PDF. Now, when you have filled all the information in this MOU agreement form, you have two options. Either you can save this form as draft by clicking on this first button, and post that you can send it later on to the Vedanta team. Or else you can send this form right away to the Vedanta team by clicking on this save and send button. So let's click on save and send. Now we get a pop-up that the draft MOU has been created successfully, and you would be redirected to the draft MOU listing tab. In this tab, the very first line item represents the recently created draft MOU by you. And the status for this draft MOU is changed to pending Vedanta acceptance. Now the Vedanta team will review the quotation given by you, and they would have two options. Either they can revise this MOU or accept this MOU quotation as is. So post that you will get a notification in the form of an email trigger and also by logging in to the portal. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much.